welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to translate voice with DeepL Speak. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to go and tap open your DeepL Speak. So once you have opened it, you need to simply get signed in into your account. Now to simply translate voice with DeepL, open the DeepL mobile application. And once you have done this, you need to tap on the icon called Translate. Once you tap on the icon called Translate in your DeepL account, you need to first of all type in, or you need to simply speak in the microphone. So once you start speaking in your microphone, your source of language will be converted into the target language. So the app will help you transcribe and translate your speech in real time, which can then listen to by tapping the speaker icon. So this is how you can translate voice with DeepL Speak. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.